still stuck at 0 subscribers and wondering how on earth are you supposed to get views? Let me tell you a secret. Your first 1,000 views has nothing to do with your subscribers count. In fact, I got thousands of views before my first 20 subscribers. How did I do that? You get to find out in this video. Here is the truth. YouTube is a search engine first. It is not a popularity contest platform. The algorithm does not care if you have 0 subscribers or if you have 1 million subscribers. All that the algorithm cares about is the viewer's satisfaction. If your video solves a problem, answers a question, or entertains, the algorithm is going to push your videos to strangers that will watch that video, and that is your advantage. So how do you get views without subscribers? Follow these 3-step strategies that I give you in this video. Step 1, searchable titles and thumbnails. Make videos around what people are searching for. Videos around what people are actively searching for, which means your titles and your thumbnails should revolve around what people are searching for. Use tools like YouTube search, Google Trends, find out what people are currently searching for or are actively searching for. If people are not searching for your topic or your titles, they will not find your videos. So the most important thing to do is create videos that people are searching for. Create videos that people are looking for the solution. Create videos and topics that people are searching for. Make thumbnails that explains that this is what people are searching for. That way, people will get to see your video. For example, instead of using my first vlog as your YouTube title or as your video title, make sure to use searchable title like how to start a vlog channel with your phone. Step 2, click-worthy thumbnails and titles. Even if your video is good, if nobody clicks on that video, nobody will watch that video. So click amounts to views. All right, so make sure that your thumbnail is attractive enough. So make sure that your thumbnail is click-worthy. Make sure that you create a thumbnail and a title. Your thumbnail and your title should be like husband and wife. It should be like rice and stew. Like they should have this relationship so that anybody that looks at your thumbnail and looks at your title, they can see the relationship in both. Okay, so make sure that your thumbnails are click-worthy. Make sure that your thumbnails attract viewers and make them to click on that thumbnail. So make sure that your titles is also in line with your thumbnail. Your thumbnails and titles should make people curious or promise value. So make sure that your thumbnails and your titles are creating curiosity in the minds of people or are promising value in the video. Step 3, high retention and engagement. Once they click on your video, keep them watching that video. Make sure that your first 15 seconds is so captivating, is so engaging. Make sure that your first 15 seconds is so captivating and hooks the attention of your viewer. Use jump cuts, storytelling, and visuals to keep the attention of your viewer. Here is a bonus tip. Add call to actions in the middle of your video or pin your best video in the comments. This will simply make you to lead the viewers on a journey. Okay, so in the middle of your video, don't just say everything straight the way it is. When you are speaking or when you are doing your video, in the middle of the video or after some minutes of doing that video, tell them that if they find that video helpful, if they find that video valuable, they should go ahead to like that video, to subscribe, and to comment on your video. That is called call to actions. So always tell your viewers to always give your viewers call to actions even in the middle of your video before you continue. Here is a proof that I have over 2,000 views on my channel, even with little or insignificant subscribers, because I follow these exact steps. So I believe that if you follow these exact steps, that you are going to see a lot of views on your videos and on your channel. So let me repeat all the points that I mentioned earlier. Number 1 is make searchable titles and topics. Number 2 is make click-worthy thumbnails and titles. Number 3 step is high retention and engagement. And then the bonus tip is call to action and pinning your best videos on the comment section. So yes, you can get views with 0 subscribers. All you need is the right strategy. Now is your turn. Pick a topic, optimize it for search, and upload it, and start creating video one step at a time. That way you will grow your audience. If you want more YouTube growth tips, hit the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you each time I make a new banging video. Watch the growth playlist that I pinned on my comment section, and trust me, you will gain so much values from the videos there. Remember that I'm rooting for you and I always love you. See you on the monetization side. Bye bye.